Hello everyone, this is John from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a very special Pavoni with us in the shop. This is a pre-millennium, but it is a different type of Pavoni, as you can tell with the group head, different type of group head. Just the shaping, not the inside's any different. And the lever has a nice curvature to it, bigger wand. But yeah, and so pretty much I came in for a rudimentary just tune-up. This happens every 2 years. You would want to just replace the gaskets because again, it's just one entire boiler. So these gaskets get really hot all the time, especially if you're using it every day. And yeah, you just want to replace them. So that being said, we replace all the group head ones by taking this entire group head off of the machine. Take the piston out through the bottom actually, and replace all the gaskets. There's about 4-ish gaskets in the group head. Then there's one in the back that's connecting the boiler to the group head. Then we replaced a new sight glass with 2 new gaskets and a new cover. Also deep cleaned your steam wand for milk, and took off your steam wand knob, which we replaced the gasket in there, re-lubricated because of course you want it to spin nice and glide it well. Your lid also has a new gasket to seal properly. And the reason why your lid's right there and not on the machine is because we replaced the pressure stat. So this machine was overheating quite a bit, enough to shoot steam out of the valve. And we went in there, replaced it, and as you can see, the light goes off. And so I'll show you a quick demonstration how it works. So your machine, you see the light's green. Whenever your light's green, that means the machine is ready to brew, which means that the pressure stat turns off. And so we're gonna see it turn back on when the light turns off around 0.9 bars or 0.8. We're gonna see it cross the 1 mark. It's gonna go down a little bit more. As you can see, light turns off, which means the heating element's on. It's gonna push it. As you can hear, the heating element steam up, and then it turns back off again. And so you're not overheating at all. And now we are going to brew a shot with this machine. By putting the portafilter in, we do have a bit of coffee. Don't worry if it's runs a little fast or slow in this video. It's just because we didn't calibrate the portafilter or the amount of coffee to this machine, or the grinder to this machine. So we're just going to start. We're going to do a little bit of pre-infusion. We let a little bit of water in through the top, and we can start now. And you want even pressure when you're brewing so that you could get a nice even shot, because all the pressure that goes into your puck of coffee is all by hand. And so there's our shot for you. Then we're just going to leave it there to drip because there's a lot of water still in that piston, and if you try to take this out, there's still a lot of pressure in that portafilter, so it's just going to sneeze all over your group head that we just freshly cleaned. And then now we're going to test the steam on with grabbing a milk pitcher, or maybe not. We're just going to run it. And as you can see, running well. And that's about it for this repair. If you liked this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.